Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an ETrade account. First, you'll need to decide which type of account suits your needs. ETrade provides several options, such as individual brokerage accounts for general investing, retirement accounts like IRAs, and even managed portfolios if you prefer professional guidance. Consider your investment objectives and how you plan to use the account before making your selection. This initial step is crucial for setting up your financial journey correctly. Before you begin the application, gather all necessary information. You will need your social security number, date of birth, and a valid government-issued identification. Additionally, have your current employment details, including your employer's name and address, ready. Financial information, such as your annual income and net worth, will also be requested. Finally, prepare your bank account details for easy funding of your new ETrade account once it is approved. The ETrade online application is straightforward and usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. You will fill out sections covering your personal information, employment, financial background, and investment experience. It is vital to review all the details thoroughly before submitting to ensure accuracy and avoid delays. In some cases, ETrade might request additional verification documents, such as a copy of your driver's license or a utility bill, to confirm your identity and address for security. Once your application is approved, the next step is to fund your new ETrade account. You have several convenient options, including electronic funds transfers from your bank, wire transfers, or mailing a check. Electronic transfers are generally the quickest, often completing within 1 to 3 business days. After your funds have settled, you will be ready to explore the wide range of investment products ETrade offers and begin placing your first trades, taking control of your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.